Hello everyone, this side Dr. Naren Vyas, Professor, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences in Goa. And the continuation of our practical series, today we are performing our second object of the subject, pharmacognosy and phytochemistry second. The object of the today's practical is to isolate caffeine from tea leaves. References are Practical Kokate. Requirements includes crude drugs, tea powder, approximately 50 gram. Chemicals requirement includes chloroform, sulfuric acid and lead acetate. Glassware includes beaker, measuring cylinder, funnel and separating funnel. Instrumentation required is heating mantle and some miscellaneous required include muslin cloth and filter paper. So let's start the procedure how to perform the practical. Take 50 gram of tea powder and boil with 4 times of its speeds of water for 35 minutes to make soluble your caffeine inside your water. Since caffeine is a water soluble, if you heat your caffeine, your tea leaves, your caffeine will be soluble in your water and dissolved inside the solvent. Now next step is filter this solution and add 15 ml lead acetate to precipitate tannins and other impurities. You know lead acetate precipitates tannins and your tea extract also contains some tannins. So you have to first separate out these tannins contain from that caffeine part. So you have to add lead acetate in that stage. After the addition of lead acetate, tannins were precipitated and settled down. You have to filter the solution again. Now filter, and to the filtrate add dilute sulfuric acid approximate 5.7 ml concentrated H2SO4 in 100 ml of water is your dilute H2SO4. Now dilute H2SO4 is added to remove the excess of lead which is added in the previous step. So your lead sulfate will be precipitated and it will be filtered again to remove that impurities. Now finally, after filtration, add some activated charcoal. Charcoal is added to remove the coloring matters present inside your filtrate. Now, in the next step, you have to add charcoal in your filtrate and stir it and again filter it to remove the coloring matter. Now, after filtering it, put inside in a separating funnel. To the filtrate, add chloroform in two successive portions of 25 ml. That means you have to add chloroform in the aqueous layer in a separating funnel. Two different layers are formed. You have to shake your separating funnel and allow it to stand to get a uniform layer. After the formation of uniform layer, you have to collect the chloroform layer. Again, you have to repeat the same process. You have to add some another 25 ml of chloroform, shake the separating funnel, allow it to stand and again collect the chloroform portion. Now next step is to weight an empty petri dish and put your chloroform portion of your filtrate. Yes, after separating funnel you have to collect the both chloroform fraction and mix them and evaporate it on a hot water bath to concentrate the product or to get the crystals of your caffeine. Now after evaporation you will find the caffeine crystals are produced and they are needle shaped crystal, white crystalline powder is produced, and this is how we separate caffeine from tea leaves. After this processor you have to find out the percentage yield, and percentage yield is identified by the formula practical yield upon theoretical yield into 100. You have to record your observation and your practical file. I hope you understand the procedure of your second object and what is the importance. We are isolating this caffeine from your tea leaves. Caffeine is an alkaloid. You have to check the presence of caffeine in your crystal. You can perform some test of alkaloids like Dragonroth reagents and all Mayer's reagents, Hager reagents to confirm whether your product is caffeine or not. You also perform TLC of your caffeine for the purity check or your identity of your isolated compound. So you can perform TLC also. So thank you so much for attending this video. I hope you understand how to isolate this caffeine from tea leaves. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.